Well, 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 look who's sneaking down the chimney tonight.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to K's channel. How is the weather where you are? My place is a little cold, signaling that Christmas is coming soon. Today I'm going to show you a character who, just by looking at him, you can tell something's up. That's... Ta-da! Ringe. This is the Ringe character wooden box lamp I just finished. Do you see it? Is it okay, Mom? Now I will briefly talk about the character Rin. For those of you who don't know Rin, a very pretty man, as you can see in the picture. His personality is a bit difficult to get along with. His body is full of hair. Whoever sings Christmas in front of him will immediately turn him away. This man hates Christmas so much, hates pine trees, hates lights, hates the sound of jingling bells, hates whoever stands in front of him singing. He is irritable and annoyed, like those uncles on Sundays who drill into the wall early in the morning at 7 a.m., 6 a.m. and then pull the wall down, guys. At first he didn't like Christmas. He stole all the gifts in town and then planned to collapse the whole town so they wouldn't have Christmas. Suddenly, his heart changed in an unexpected way. He got along with everyone, ate with everyone. At first, I saw him hate and hate. He was so mean. He suddenly turned back to love and was completely genuine. Now I will show you the lumens of this lamp. I will plug it in for you to see. I am cruel and heartless. Just a little bit now, and I will go ahead and plug it in for you to see. Ta-ta! It will light up just like this. Please wait for me while I turn off the light so you can really see how bright this whole box light actually is. Ta-ta! This lamp looks normal at first, but when you turn it on, it's like a warm and cool night light. You can decorate it in the living room or bedroom. If anyone has a Christmas tree that hasn't been decorated yet, just put this character in and it will smell like Christmas. If you're a fan of Christmas decor that's both cute and mischievous, then the Grinch is the perfect character for you. If you think it's cute, please like, share and comment to let me know. I'll leave the file to make this design in the description to make it easier for you. And now I'll show you how to make this product.
First, let's start by cutting the surface frame with plywood. The plywood you're using should be about 4 to 5 millimeters thick. Here I'm using a board with an AB surface which has one side with a bright white grain. The cutter I'm using is a CO2 size 4060 and the tube power is 60 watts. The power is at 60% and the cutting speed is 10. With a 60 watt power, the surface will be black and the cut line will be thicker because with 60 watts of power, the cut surface will be dark and the cut line thicker because it's cutting at a slow speed with a high power machine. However, I find that the burnt cut line has a nice rounded, soft look and I actually like that. Clean it up to remove the cutting debris and black soot. Then spray paint the surface frame black. Cut the side edges and the base of the light box with the same cutting force as before. For this box, I'm using 2 layers for the side edges, 5 millimeters thick. The broken glass puzzle part is made from transparent acrylic or mica with a thickness of 2 millimeters. You'll reuse the file for the wooden frame you cut earlier so the two parts will match up. You should peel off the protective paper from both sides of the acrylic before cutting to make it faster, you know. Use masking tape to secure the cut pieces right after you finish cutting the fragments. At this point, it's cut just like shards of a mirror. There are some small details, so be sure to secure them. Print on the freshly cut acrylic fragments using a UV printer. Here, I'm using a DIY UV printer with an Epson print head. In the print color settings, Set it to remove the white ink and only print in the 4 CMYK colors with an adjustment of 50 to 100% ink volume. Tada, this is the result with 50% ink volume. To glue the frame together, I'm using wood glue. Are you guys using glue or double-sided tape? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Drill a hole to thread the LED wire through. Use an LED strip with pre-applied adhesive to stick along the edge. Use a white mica sheet cut to the size of the Lightbox base to serve as a background for the broken glass effect. Glue the frame onto the surface and then glue the acrylic fragments in. You'll use a special transparent glue for acrylic to attach it to the edges, the fragments and the wooden frame parts. The contrast between the wood and acrylic materials, with their same color but different thicknesses, gradually forms this mosaic-style broken glass effect lamp frame, and it looks much more artistic than if you were to just do a flat UV print directly onto the acrylic. Thank you for watching this entire video. If you want me to make more products, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to follow my upcoming videos.